We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up DG. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle spiked down to low with a push up in momentum currently. We do have price action overall, higher highs of structure. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. And adding third level highs. So I zoom in the price to see what's going on. So price action, bullish green candle, current price is sitting at 243.96. So if price work his way up to that resistance line, if it works way up further, it can head up to that resistance line nearing the numbers of 248.59. Before tagging that number, it also can tag the numbers nearing 245.91. The price decides to break out. We are looking for price to tag the top of that price, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth candle in the market wick towards that top side. So between the ninth and the third, market can be tagging back up to the area of resistance if it breaks the black SR line. Before tagging that area, also can tag the midpoint of the body of that second to last candle, which would be at 254.83. Price work his way down. It can head down between both of the black and red SR lines, nearing the numbers of 235.53. Before tagging that, it also can tag the numbers which would be near the bottom of the price action body at 239.89. So let's take a look at what's going on in the market. So we can see that the market is in a uptrend. So if that market does push up further, multiple pushes to that top. Let's go through it. We did receive the break and a retest at that black SR line. That's the midpoint. Market reached second level highs and create another pattern. So let's draw it out for that break and retest. The break, the retest, which would be identified as a first leg, second, third, fourth. So we have a double bottom in that area. We have a retest with the bearish red candle. So price action came back to retest that double bottom, then push up. So we have a double bottom and a retest, first, second, third, fourth, retest one. Market tagged the area of resistance, came to the midpoint of third level highs. Retest, pushed up, couldn't break out, or broke out a little bit, lost momentum with that third to last candle to come back down to third level high midpoint. So let's create another midpoint in that area of a red SR line. So as we go down the structure, I can show you guys what pattern is drawing itself out. So in that area, so where market's trying to see what's happening near price, is going to see if it's trying to break that midpoint that we just created between third level highs and the highest highs overall. So if the market can't break, what is it identifying? First, identify that lost the momentum, lost a lot of momentum. The market lost a lot of momentum with that ninth to last candle of the market, but also after that, it still went up for another push. But you can see the losses at the third to last candle, fifth to last candle, sixth to last candle, which identify the what? Market spiked up once, second, third, and we'll see that double top that's forming in that area. Price action spiked that area, but if it's respected, market will push up. So it won't be an M anymore if it doesn't break and retest. So we are looking for that market to follow up with a bearish red candle to push down further. If not, it's coming up with a bullish green candle or after a retest, and we'll see that first, second, third market push up if we receive the bullish green engulfment maybe after the doji. So it's something forming in that area. We have to take a look at to see what's going on as we look down the time frame. Headed down to the weekly, price action on the weekly time frame is reading as a bearish red candle spike down to the low of that pattern to the left hand side. So we can see if that market is respected with this loss of momentum. That means it may be a reversal in the market. Market can be identified coming from that first, second, third, fourth. We have a double bottom retest, fall off the bullish green candle to engulf that price action. Markets coming from an overall triple bottom or double bottom and retest. Headed down to the daily. Daily time frame, price action reading as a huge bullish green candle. Second last candle did lose a lot of momentum. Price action is engulfing that previous side, working that market up. This is why with price in second, this is why we seen a doji on the higher time frame. Price action is side by side, but definitely did receive the engulfment. So let's break down the chart. We have a resistance. We have the midpoint. So let's put a zone around that midpoint a little bit early. Normally we're doing it on a 4-hour time frame. Let's do it on the daily. Have that midpoint. And we also have that support. So we can see that the market created that triple bottom. We have that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up. Triple bottom, market came back to retest, lost that momentum with second last candle, received the engulfment. So market price is working its way back to that midpoint. Once it get into that zone, we're gonna let it consolidate, show out a pattern, wait for the breakout, retest for that market to work its way up for that incline W. Unless this area is just identifying that there's also a gap in the market. That market is breaking, retesting. It still followed with a bearish red candle and push that market down for that break and retest. 4-hour time frame, reading as a doji, still reading the same thing. Market broke down, came back to retest. Fourth to last candle, pattern in that area, looks like a double bottom. Incline double bottom in that area. That pushed that market up. Price action like a retest of that doji from that previous double bottom. Now we can see it much more clear. So we have a retest area. Below that we have that W, first, second, third, fourth. Market broke, came back to retest with the price and definitely the second. And we're looking for the breakout. Price action having a hard time just breaking that, breaking into that zone. So it lost momentum. Walking down to the 2-hour time frame. Price action bullish green. Doji pushed up to the top. 1-hour time frame, same as well. So market just broke, retest, received a push, lost momentum. 45-minute, same as well, break, retest. But we can see a little structure forming. Could be a W. Talk about down a 30-minute time frame, which we can see that break and retest. So this candle broke. Market came back to retest. We're drawing out that first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so now we can see that price action lost a lot of momentum. So it can be coming back to a retest to where? To that midpoint or back to that bottom of that support of that area. If so, we'll see that W, that triple bottom for that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market still push up further, but it breaks that support area, it's dropping down further. So it would be a full break and retest. Walking down to the 15, price action bearish red candle push up to the top. So market just identifying there's a W here, first, second, third, and it had a momentum spike up, but still work its way down. So it's between a double top and a double bottom at the last 3 to 4 candles. 5-minute time frame. You can see that wave in the market, break, retest, first, second, third. Market spiked a high, could be dropping down to at least the midpoint of that area. As it is on a 3-minute time frame, bearish red candle engulfing the previous side. So we're looking for that market to push near that midpoint area. Headed down to the 1. Same candle, bearish red, work its way down further. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, DG, Stock.